Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs and online enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and strategies to help you thrive in the digital world. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: affiliate marketing and how it can revolutionize your online business. So, grab a notepad and get ready to take some notes, because we're about to dive deep into this fascinating world. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a performance-based marketing model where individuals, known as affiliates, earn a commission for promoting and driving sales to a merchant's products or services. It's like being a digital middleman, connecting customers with the products they need while earning a cut of the profit. But how does it all work? Let's break it down. The first step in affiliate marketing is finding a profitable niche. A niche is a specific area or industry that you're passionate about or have knowledge in. It's important to choose a niche that has a demand for products or services and a target audience willing to spend money. This sets the foundation for your affiliate marketing journey. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to research and choose affiliate programs. These are platforms or networks that connect affiliates with merchants who offer products or services in your chosen niche. Look for programs that align with your niche and offer attractive commission rates, reliable tracking systems, and marketing resources to support your efforts. Now comes the fun part: promoting products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you'll have a unique referral link or affiliate link provided by the merchant. Your goal is to drive traffic to this link, and when someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. There are various ways to promote products, such as creating engaging content, leveraging social media, running ads, or building an email list. Tracking and analyzing your performance is crucial in affiliate marketing. Most affiliate programs provide you with tracking tools to monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. This data helps you identify which strategies are working and which ones need improvement. By continually optimizing your efforts based on these insights, you can maximize your earnings and fine-tune your marketing approach. Now that you understand the basic mechanics of affiliate marketing, let's talk about why it's such a powerful opportunity in today's digital landscape. One of the biggest benefits of affiliate marketing is its passive income potential. Once you set up your promotional content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media campaigns, they can continue to generate income for you even while you're sleeping or on vacation. It's like having your own money-making machine that works for you around the clock. Compared to many other business ventures, affiliate marketing has relatively low startup costs and risks. You don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer support. The merchants take care of all that. Your main focus is on promoting and driving sales, allowing you to start with minimal investment and scale your business as you gain experience. In affiliate marketing, your earning potential is uncapped. Your income is directly proportional to your efforts and the quality of your promotional strategies. As you build your audience, expand your reach, and optimize your marketing techniques, your commissions can grow exponentially. With dedication and persistence, you can achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Affiliate marketing opens up a world of opportunities for those seeking financial independence and the freedom to work from anywhere. However, it's important to remember that success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, a deep understanding of your audience, and a willingness to adapt and learn along the way. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope this in-depth explanation of affiliate marketing has given you a clearer understanding of how it works and the incredible potential it holds. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is within your reach. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep growing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy affiliate marketing.